Well done guys, welcome back to today's video. It's your girl Dara Fashion Inspiration guys. In here I bring to you this latest trending 2025 nail acrylic design guys. This nail art is very beautiful, very top notch guys. I took my time to select this amazing nails design for you. You will see in this video both the long one and the short one, the manicure French nail art design tutorial for all our beginners. You will be seeing how to paint, how to polish the nail, how to design it to your taste and to your beautiful preferences guys. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up. If today is the first time you've seen my video, you're highly welcome to Dara Fashion Inspiration. In here we share with you very amazing fashion styles, hairstyles and nail design inspiration. For all my return subscribers, you guys are one in a million. Thank you so much for always supporting in your own ways guys. I really appreciate. Stay tuned and watch this amazing nail design art to the end. Look at this one, it's so beautiful, so colorful guys. Go and polish that your nail and look so stunning and so beautiful at the same time guys. Subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell guys, so that you get notified anytime we post a new video. You will always be the first person to get notification and watch the video guys. Comment where you're watching us from guys. Bye.